Welcome to today's video on traveling outside the United States while holding a U.S. visa. If you're currently in the U.S. on an L1B visa and have an approved but unstamped H1B visa, there are several factors to consider before planning any travel, especially when waiting to apply for a green card. In today's video, we'll walk you through the key considerations you need to make before traveling internationally. We'll cover understanding your visa status, reviewing your H1B approval, consulting your travel history, preparing your travel documents, and seeking legal advice. Initially, make sure your L1B visa is valid for the planned travel dates, since your H1B visa is not yet active. Carrying your H1B approval notice as evidence of your status may also be beneficial. There are several key considerations when planning your travel. First, ensure that your L1B visa is valid for the entire duration of your trip. Your H1B approval notice should be carried with you as evidence of your status, although it does not permit entry. Drawing from your past travel history could indicate how your next entry might go, but remember, every entry is at the discretion of the CBP officer. If you work for a well-established employer, it signifies stability, which could ease the process. If your green card process is at a crucial stage, consider the risks, such as being scrutinized. Always prepare for potential risks when re-entering the U.S. Now it's time for a quick quiz to test your understanding. What should you carry to show your H1B visa status if it hasn't been stamped yet? Your options are L1B visa, H1B approval notice, passport, or green card. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is the H1B approval notice. While it doesn't allow you entry into the U.S., it's important as evidence of your approved visa status. It is essential to consult with an immigration lawyer for personalized advice. Gather all necessary documents, including your L1B visa, passport, H1B approval notice, and an employment verification letter from your employer. Understand the risks, like the possibility of additional scrutiny or delays. If your green card process is nearly ready for filing, consider delaying your trip. Also remember that travel to countries like Mexico will require passing through international customs upon re-entry. Always keep copies of your documents for safety. Traveling with a visa requires careful consideration. Always consult with an immigration attorney for the most up-to-date guidance suitable for your situation. Verify your visa's validity, collect the necessary documentation, and be aware of all potential risks, especially if your green card process is advancing. Thank you for watching our video on international travel while holding a U.S. visa. If you found the information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.